Sam Fender is played tuned down to E flat standard on the recorded studio version. In this video we'll be looking at how to play the song in standard tuning so you can get started straight away. I'm going to name the chords as they look on the guitar. Once you tune down to E flat standard they will obviously be a half step lower. So this E bar chord that we start with, once we tune down will be an E flat chord. So we start off at the 12th fret, the low E string with an E major bar chord. I'm going to move down one fret and play a D sharp minor bar chord. Go to the 4th fret, we're going to play a G sharp minor bar chord, then a B, 7th fret there, low E string, down to the 2nd fret for an F sharp, back up 2 to the G sharp, D sharp minor there, then we go down to the F sharp again, 2nd fret, and then an E shape. That's just an open E chord to finish there. So we've got E, D sharp minor, G sharp minor, B, then to the F, G sharp, F, E. Okay, so the whole thing. If you want to be a bit more authentic and play the chords exactly like Sam does, get rid of the bar chords and pop the thumb over the top instead. The chorus sounds like this. We start off with an F sharp bar chord for half a bar, then a G sharp bar chord for half a bar, then an E shape for a full bar, the F sharp for half a bar, then we have a passing chord, G sharp minor, then a B, then a C sharp minor chord for 2 bars. Outro, we strum consistently down in 8th notes. We're going to play an E chord for a full bar, then to the F sharp chord for half a bar, then the G sharp chord for half a bar. So. Riff starts off at the 11th fret on the high E string. We're going to play that twice and pull off to 9. We're going to grab 12 on the B and go back to 9 on the high E. And we've got 11, 9 pull off on the high E, then 12 on the B, back to 9 on the high E. So and we've got that same thing again, 11, 9 pull off, and then 12 on the B, 9 on the high E. So. And then we hit 11 on the high E string and we're going to bend it up but not quite a half step. And we're going to release that as well. So far. Then we go to 11th fret on the B string and we're going to hit it twice. The second time we hit it we've got a little microtonal bend similar to what we've just played before. Then we're going to play 11 pull off to 9 on the B. Hit that B again, then we've got 9, slide down to 7, hit the 7 again, all on the B string there. Do the whole riff slowly there. And we're going to finish the riff off with this little chord shape. We've got the first finger on the 7th fret of the B string, the second finger on the 8th fret of the G, and the third finger on the high E string at the 9th fret. We're going to pick G, high E, B, G, high E. Repeat that. Then repeat it without the high E on the end. Okay, so the whole riff there. fun jamming along with another fantastic Sam Fender song. Check out this playlist here for some more Sam Fender tutorials. Good luck with this one, happy practicing and take care.